What up, y'all? Welcome to a brand new video on the By Myles Design and Print Studios YouTube channel. I know it's been a long time. It's been a couple months now. You can kind of see everything is a little different, but I'm glad to be back. I'm going to be trying to make these videos again and bring back some of the stuff that I brought back last year, where I talked about some reviews, some new equipment, and some of the new techniques and stuff that I've learned. Now for today's video, I'm super excited. The last time I did a review was last year. I did the review on the Cricut mug press. Now today we got another Cricut piece of equipment. I don't want to say what it is yet until I pull it out, but make sure you tune in and watch this video full on because I'm actually going to tell you how I got this machine on a discounted price. Now we're going to do a quick unboxing. There's going to be no review today, but make sure to like, subscribe, and give a thumbs up to this video to see a little quick review on it. So for those of you that don't know, Cricut did do some new equipment releases or videos on it, and this is actually one of them right here. The video I believe they did was on March 11th, and I was able to pick this up just last week from a store here in Calgary, and well, not from Calgary but within Canada, and they were actually able to ship it to me, and I got it for 10% off. Now the new machine that I got here is the Cricut Hat Press. Now if you guys have been following my journey, whether it be on Instagram, on YouTube, or anything like that, you guys know I've been looking to get a heat press for the longest time now. Especially because I do have a new embroidery machine, which I still haven't made a video of. I'm still learning a little bit more before I post anything of it. But if you're curious, this is the Brother Entrepreneur 6 Plus PR670E. But today we're going to be talking about the Cricut Hat Press. Now, hat presses, you know, they are pretty expensive. And if you guys are looking at getting yourself a heat press, you might have seen some of the Amazon 6-in-1s, you might have seen some of the Stalls, the Geonites, a lot of these big brands, or even the smaller ones with Amazon. They are, you know, fairly expensive depending on what you're looking for. If you guys already have not seen my video, or have seen my video I should say, you guys know how I feel about Amazon heat presses. Again, that is just my personal opinion, but if you haven't already seen the video, I'll put a little thing over here in the description on my thoughts on Amazon heat presses. But again, back to the Cricut Hat Press. So here we have the Cricut Hat Press. This is a nice nice box. You know, Cricut's always known for their packaging. I've always been, and I'm not gonna lie, I've always been a silhouette guy when it comes to my vinyl cutters, but when it comes to heat presses, when I need something on the go, besides my Caesar, the Cricut brand has been great. I do have a Cricut Easy Press, I believe Easy Press 2. I do have the mug press, and then now I have the hat press that we're going to be unboxing. So these came out, I believe they went on sale online March 11th. I'm not too sure for Canada. I've been trying to keep a post up on it with Myles and even asking some of the employees, and a lot of them don't know anything about it. This just so happened to be on the website for Indigo. So for those of you who don't know, you can get this from Indigo right now as we speak, because I did it. But if you have the VIP Plum Pass, which is I believe $40, don't quote me on that, a year, you get 10% on pretty much anything that you buy from the Indigo website, online or in store. And when I googled the hat press from Cricut and I just typed in Canada, Indigo was the first thing that popped up, and of course I went and put it in my cart right away, logged on and put my Plum Pass, or my VIP Plum Rewards account in, and I saved myself 10%. So this retails for 199 Canadian, but when I did it through Indigo, I believe I got it for 179. So you know, you do save a bit. I believe it's 10%, and I also got 1,000 points in Plum Awards. So let's get to the unboxing. Quick instructions. I'm not going to open this. It's kind of, you know, if you want to look at it, it's pretty straightforward. You do have, actually let's do this first, the base for the heat press. right here, which is cool. I always like that they always have base for their heat presses. And then right here in the packaging, we also have our heat press. So just like a hat press, the difference to this is you don't have something, you know, clamping it down, but you can control it yourself. Personally, I think it's cool that way because I know one of the things a lot of heat presses do, minus that new stalls, I believe it's called the IQ or something like that, but again, it stalls, it's a lot more money. When you press a hat and you have it clamped, sometimes you get those creases at the top here, but what I like about this is it's pretty much just an iron. You can control how you want it to go. You know, you can go, in the instruction videos, they say go back and forth, which, I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. Personally, I don't think I have to do anything like that because a lot of my designs will probably just be within. So I could just easily press that. So this is the heat press right here. And then we also have their, I don't know what they call this, their heat resistant tape, but they had another name for it, like super heat resistant, something like that. But that's also included in this box. We also have, this is cool right here, the hat, I don't know what they call this, the hat press itself, like where you press the hat. See, I want to make sure I get the information right for you guys with this, but the safety base. Oh no, wait, sorry, the pressing form. This is safety base. This is the pressing form. One thing I do want to stress on this, because if you guys are watching my video, there is an allergy warning because this does contain walnut shells in here. So if you guys are allergic to nuts, just know that they have made an allergy warning on pretty much the packaging, I believe, but on this packaging it's on here and also on their website from when I saw it. Cool thing about this, the reason why they say they use walnuts is because you can actually press it or mold it to how you want it to be. So that's kind of like the cool thing about why they use the walnuts. If you're also wondering about that, but this, you kind of put this in the hat. So it gets the form that you need it to be in. Then you take your heat press and you just press it on there. But I'm actually going to be building some different, I don't know how often I will use this, maybe just in the beginning, but I'm actually going to be creating something here on the side of my workbench that actually works with the hat jig for the embroidery machine, but some for the heat press as well. I used to press hats using the Easy Press, and my dad was able to help me make some molds that would go on the inside of the hats, just made out of sheet metal, and then we just kind of curled them or bent them. But we're going to be making some that you know, we could slip the hat in and then we could press it from there. So I don't know how often I'm going to be using this after, but this is what comes with the package. And for those of you that don't have you know, a place to kind of work, it kind of just makes it easier. You know? I think I might use this to shape my own fitted hats and stuff. So if I wanted to shape them up, I could probably use that. If I want to iron out some wrinkles on there, because you know, after you clean them, sometimes you do get a little bit of wrinkles. I could also use this as an iron. So yeah, that was the quick unboxing video. You know, it's kind of cool to be back and creating another video for you guys. I know it's been a long time, but I am trying my best to be back. Again, I do have a lot of things I do want to show you, from the embroidery machine, doing a review on the hat press, and then yeah, again, thank you guys again for checking out this video. I do apologize, it's been a long time, but I'm here. But if you wanted to keep up with me, I am very active on social media, so if you wanted to follow the by Myles account, again, it's instagram.com/by.myles. If you want to follow my clothing company, it's instagram.com/legalhustleclothing. I will put a bunch of links to my Linktree in the description, so you guys can check everything out there. Again, my name is AlbertMylesMejia, and if I didn't say it in the intro, I am the creative director of By Myles Design and Print Studios, the owner and founder of Legal Hustle Clothing, and I'm also the creator of the Facebook group YYC Soldiers. Thank you guys again for checking out this video, and I can't wait to do a review for you guys on the new Cricut Hat Press. Peace.